Hey, what's up guys? Mike Red Fox. In this video, figure we're gonna unbox some of this stuff that you see before you here, and I'm just gonna talk around what's going through my mind as it stands right now in mining in May 2021. All right, so you can probably see I got another Prebuilt down there, but let's start off at the top here. I think I got some really cool things. So let's see what we got going on in here. So I honestly haven't given mining a lot of my attention in these last week or so. I mean, everything's been really on autopilot. All the GPUs that I have going, been mining Ethereum. You know, I had these GPUs, honestly, well, spoiler alert, this is a GPU, kind of just sitting down here. Oh man, why? Look, no, the worst. I've had these GPUs just sitting down here. I've had that Prebuilt sitting down here for like a week and a half. I just have not had the time to get to it. Oh, Zotac. Zotac, why did you do this? Oh, it's gonna be a mess. Aren't these like the worst for the environment? Unless they're like the biodegradable ones. Oh man, this stuff is everywhere. Thanks, Zotac. All right, check it out. I'm actually really excited for this one. Zotac Amp, white. It's a white GPU, 3060. I was able to get this from Zotac's website. If you saw my previous video, 1 or 2 ago, about how to buy GPUs right now, this is where I got that one. Zotac, just know the steps. Join my Discord, I'll help you out if you need to figure out how to get these, but it's certainly possible. A little frustrating, but certainly possible. So that's cool. I don't know what I'm gonna do with this 3060 because I have 2 of them rocking in there, both on the full PCIe slots. What I'm thinking I'm gonna do is find a way to just put it on like the full slot of the ASRock boards and just add a little extra to my mining rigs here with some 3060s with the development driver that unlocks it all the way. So really cool, that's number 1. Zotac 3060. Let's see what else we got here. Boom, okay. So as far as mining right now, yeah, everything's been on pretty much autopilot, just on Ethereum. I've done a couple things, like I got invited finally off the wait list for Coinbase Ethereum staking, so I threw some of my Ethereum in there, and that's gaining 6% APY right now. You know, the way I think about it, there's Ethereum that I sell every week to pay off all this stuff, and then there's Ethereum that I want to hold for the long term, and that's one that I might as well stake it and get some money back. So let's see what we got in here. Whoa. Oh man, this is super generous. Show you guys. That logo may look familiar. GPUrisers.com. Man, that is super cool, man. What do we got? Oh man, look at this. This box is huge. More peanuts. All right, I actually want to open these up and see what we got, because we got 2 different size boxes here. Don't cut myself. All right, cool. All right, look at this. Man. So check it out, guys. I started a YouTube channel back in December, really, of last year. I never thought I'd be doing this in a million years. And I'm sitting over 12K subscribers right now. And GPU risers, if you pay attention to crypto mining community, they're a name, right? They're a name out there. A lot of YouTubers use their stuff, and they reached out to me and said, hey, we'd love to sponsor a video. We'll send you some stuff. And I was like, okay, I still don't know what I'm doing on YouTube, and I certainly don't know what it means to be sponsored. I'm gonna put this down, but sure, like that sounds great. And I have an idea of what I wanna do, which is I wanna do a whole build video from start to scratch, just like an exhaustive with timestamps and everything, covering everything you can possibly need, you know, just like a one-stop shop for anybody that's building a rig or in the process of building a rig to go to. So anyway, they reached out to me, and I had to figure out, like, I don't want to give them my address, not that I don't trust them, but, you know, so I had to, like, open a P.O. box a couple towns over from me and just figure all that out. This is just still a journey for me. Look at this. Man. You guys are crazy generous. This is so cool. I mean, I'm going to open one of these up. So I'm just incredibly thankful. Oh, man. And I'm going to do the right thing, and I'm going to absolutely use these. So let's check one of these out, because I've been dying to see one. These white ones. Let's check it out. That looks so cool. If you guys know me, I love power and GPU risers. These look so much higher quality than the ones I was using. Got a 6-pin, 2 6-pins. Got Molex there. I can't wait to get these up and going. GPUrisers.com. Thank you guys. Oh my God. I have no words. You guys are super generous. So stay tuned. I'm going to be featuring these in a full build coming up real soon. Real soon. All right, cool. Let's see what else. All right, so this is pre-built number 2 here. The first one had a Asus Dual 3070 in it. This one's a CyberPower PC. We're going to see what this has in it. This could be really anything. So I'm crazy curious to see what it's got. So yeah, otherwise, as far as mining, things I gotta do, what is it, Chia Coin is like a thing I gotta look into. I saw that Furo is really doing well, which is cool because I had a 1080 on that forever. Let's see, what am I gonna do to get this out? But then I guess the big thing where I've been spending almost all of my time is trying to get more GPUs, and I'm been using bots, and I got some videos coming up on that soon, real soon. I'm just gonna flip this thing. I'm just gonna flip it. So I've been spending a lot of time figuring out how bots work, getting that set up. I haven't had any success yet, but it seems really promising. This doesn't really matter what's in this stuff. That's been pretty much every day after work, figuring out how to get all that set up. So that's why I haven't been down here doing much of this stuff. But I'm glad to be down here, seeing what this Prebuilt has. It looks like way better quality than that Asus one I got so far. All right, let's see. Make some room and I'll put it up here. It's got weird ass packaging in there. That's not a GPU. What is that? I guess that's cool. They keep it from moving around. So we got, I have to get this thing open. Let's find a screwdriver. Nailed it. Cool. That screw is gone. Okay, what do we think? Just pops off? Yep. What? This is gonna be a weird unveil. This looks so much better than that one over there that I still haven't sold. It's actually a pretty nice computer. Except for this. Oh my god. What am I supposed to do here? Ooh, we got an MSI. Looks like actually a pretty nice card. Hold up. This is kind of ridiculous. All right, MSI. I'm gonna take it out. So, I'm gonna have to sell this one as well. And I'd imagine I'll get a pretty good chunk for the rest of it. And I'm thinking about putting, maybe some of my old 1070 Ti's in the case and selling that all together. Wonder how that'll do. Yeah, this is so much nicer than that other Prebuilt I bought. Man. All right, so we got a Ventus. It's not the highest end card, 3070 in the world, but so here it is. MSI 3-fan Ventus card. 3070. Cool. I have no idea where I'm going to put this. My 3070 rig, already full, and then I put another one there. But good news is I found some more mining frames for relatively okay prices, and I have the rest of the components. Because I have this 3070, I have another one in the garage. I guess I'm building another 3070 rig. There's the pre-built. I mean, Cooler Master, RAM. I'm sure, I don't know what kind of power supply this is, but not bad. I mean, maybe there's something I can do with this one. I should probably sell it. So, yeah, 3070, so I'm gonna get that hooked up and figure out a place for it and go from there. And then I guess a couple other things that I got lined up, some work to do is I bought another grow tent. You can see there, it's bigger, so I can fit more GPUs in it. And I've had this one open most of the time now because when I close it, it still gets a little too hot for my comfort. So I bought a bigger one, especially since I can't fit that rig in there. And then I have another 6 cards in the garage I can't fit in there. And I got a card up there not doing anything. So I bought a bigger one. So I'm gonna get that set up in another video and we'll test airflow and all that in there too. But I think that's pretty much it for this one, guys. Hope you enjoyed hanging out with me. Pretty easygoing video. We got another pre-built open, GPU risers being awesome. Go check them out, gpurisers.com. I'll leave a link in the description below. And Zotac store coming through with that white 3060, which I'll get set up, and I think I'm gonna do like a whole 3060 video covering all the requirements in order to get that full hash rate. But that's it for this one. Hope you enjoyed the video. Join my Discord, link is in the description below. Take care of yourself, take care of each other, and I'll see you in the next video.